Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing app. And in today's video, I will show you how to add overlay to a video in CapCut Mobile. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your CapCut app. After you open up your CapCut app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on new video right here. The next thing you want to do here is to make sure you import your first video. So I'm going to go ahead and make use of this particular video right here. So I'm going to import this video. Then I will go ahead and make sure I click on add right here. Just like so. I will add the first video. So I'm going to, so just like so, this is the first video right here. So I'm going to make sure I adjust the video frame like so. Just like so. Now here, what we want to do here is that we want to make sure we add an overlay to this particular video. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to make sure I cut this video from this part right here. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure I click. So for me to cut, I'm going to go ahead and click on here to split. So once I split, I'll go ahead and click on here and make sure I delete. Now I have this right here. Just like so. Now, how do we add overlay to this particular video right here in CapCut video editing app? So for that, what we want to do is to make sure we unselect the video. Once we unselect the video, next thing we want to do is to go ahead and we make sure we click on overlay right here. So click on overlay. So having clicked on overlay, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on add overlay. Once you click on add overlay, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select your overlay video. So I'm going to select this particular video clip right here. So select the clip. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on add right here. Now successfully add. Next thing we want to do here is to see where we can adjust the overlay video. So I'm going to put this particular overlay video right here. I can resize a little bit. Now I have the overlay video right here. Next thing we want to do here is to drag the overlay video to be in the length with the original video. So for that, I will go ahead and click and hold down. Then I will drag all from the beginning right here, just like what you see right here. Now the video has been fully overlaid, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. We can work on the overlay. We can add effect. We can add different things. We can add effects to the overlay right here. We can speed up. We can do different sort of things with the overlay as far as this particular overlay is concerned. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how to use CapCut video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.